I have included 2018 and 2019 plus both version templates. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Let's open Premiere Pro. Let's create new sequence. I am taking Full HD 30 FPS preset. Open Essential Graphics panel to import templates. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on plus icon to import templates. If you are using Premiere Pro 2018, then import 2018 version templates, or if you are using 2019 or above version, then import 2019 plus templates. Import all templates one by one. Select any template and place it to the timeline. Here you can change text, font, faux style, font size and color. Here you can change text color. Here you can scale animation and change its position. You can increase or decrease animation speed by this slider. That's it. Thanks for watching.